Hello, I'm Lorinda and welcome. This is my home/studio, and I want you to know that if I can do it, you can do it. And you know what helps is Temu. So I have some of my favorite products here. My past, present, and future. Like, what did I get in the past? And everything in here. A lot of my stuff is Temu or Michael's. I go to Michael's a lot. But I definitely am able to practice every day. I'm able to do stuff every day because the prices are so affordable. Some things I'll tell you that I'm not too happy with so this is a recommendation as to what's good to get. I'm usually pretty happy with everything. So this is my studio. I carved out, one of the things is you definitely have to have some space to store, but I just carved out a little section of my home over here, and it's cleaned up, but it's not perfect. This is real life here. So this is my studio. Let's see, right off the bat. Oh, love these lights here. These are from Temu, my love, because I love what I do. Studio love. This brush right here I got from Temu, and this is a past that we'll get to that when we get to brushes. I'm going to move this over to brushes. So I got my newest Temu order. Let's start there. And my favorite thing is, and I reordered another one, my favorite thing is my watercolor paper art journal. So I bought another one because I loved it so much. You can watercolor, you can collage, because the paper is so nice and thick, and it held up really nicely. You know, I put all kinds of stuff in here, so I had to get another one because I've ordered them. I got one from Michael's, and honestly, it wasn't as good. The paper pilled. It was okay. It's okay, but this is Michael's, so we're here to talk about Temu. And Temu, this is the best one ever, and this is how it comes. You know, they come packaged, really nice. I kept everything in the package. And so this is a rebuy. So this is a past, a present, and a future. Ha ha ha. So let's see. Oh, they really sealed this one up. And it held up nicely, like I said. I don't know if this is wasting a lot of time. I kind of want to not make this video too long, but I do have a lot of stuff from Temu, I have to say. And I'm always really happy. I will share with you at the end the things that I got that I'm not happy with. I will share a couple of things. Okay, throw that away. Next. Oh, I just got this today. Now this is for nails, they said, for fingernails, but I can put some of my, I've got some, they have an awesome, all right, let's see this right here. I forgot about this. This is past, and this is for my oil, paint clean. You can put oil on the top. I don't usually use that really. My biggest thing is in here. Now see, it separates and it sits on the bottom. So this is perfect for my little brushes, which all these brushes I got from Temu. All of these brushes I got from Temu. These are phenomenal brushes. I'm not going to get into some of them, like these three here were one order. A lot of these ones. Anyway, so this is perfect for those because it sits on the thing underneath. So I'm looking forward to using that. That's a cool little thing. And I got this right here. Check this out. This little thing. So the holder I got from Temu too. This holder holds like different stuff. It has different sizes. So I got my new brushes from Temu. These are new. This one's wonderful. I've used this for my abstract art. And they have different sizes. I would order that again if I needed one, but I probably don't at the moment. But this one is another one. Look at the brush here. And my thing is you got to take care of brushes. And I'm going to show you my brushes that I got from Michael's. And I use them a lot, so they do get some wear and tear. And I got these little buggers. And a lot of this stuff, like if I was to get it at Michael's, these are really expensive, and they're so nice. I mean, they're beautiful, and like you guys, I can't tell you how much money I save. A couple of dollars when these are like, for one is like $10, and I got a pack. They give you a bunch of stuff, like a bunch. They're always good with like the quantity and the quality, but I'm gonna tell you, not everything is, you know, sometimes it could be kind of, I'm going to show you at the end. I got to stay on track here with what's good. This I got today. Now, I've been into collaging, and I love their collage paper, okay? Their collage paper is amazing, and this is the best one yet that I got. And I'll open up, I'm not going to open up all of them, but I'll show you. Basically, this was one order. And so I got maps. All this stuff is awesome, and I'm going to use it in my big old collage book because I can make the whole... I'm just excited to use this stuff. And they're all different. Now, see on the back, so they're all different. These musical notes are beautiful. They're beautiful. So let me show you. I want to see these maps. Look at the maps. You got to see these. So those of you who are into art and collage paper and collage stuff and art stuff, like, I'm telling you right now, somebody was saying on another channel that they rip off artists. I'm sorry. I disagree. This stuff is, look at, these are nice thin papers for collage. So they give you a couple of each one usually. Look at that. Look at the colors. I mean, it's amazing. Look at that. I can't wait to try it. Those are gorgeous. So, okay, you guys, look at this. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. So that's those. And I like to keep them right in the package. The bags, they send you nice bags. I save all my bags. They put everything in a nice bag. They package everything really nice. You know, I really can't say enough about it. And I enjoy being an artist because I get to get things at a good price. This was from Temu. This is a past, and I use it all the time. You can put your brushes in here, and it has inside there where you can, just like the other one, where you can scrub your brush. So these are my newest brushes, and this is a past, present, and future as well. So I bought it in the past, loved it so much, and I needed another one because I use these all the time. And I bought some. Now this was only a couple bucks, and this is a $200 brush. And so I had to get a different size, which is goat hair. And this was actually packaged just like that. There's the acrylic oil flat brush. Totally amazing brush. And this is what it looks like. I have all my oil stuff over here. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I've never bought oil paints from them because I buy professional brand. Now, there's some things I don't want to skimp on. I will not buy oil paints at Temu. Acrylic, maybe. But now, this brush here, $20 brush that is similar maybe to that, but round. And look at it. It's falling apart because I'm really hard on my brushes. But here's the one. And as long as you clean them good, you know, this is doing really good. And all these brushes are from Temu. Look at these brushes. They're gorgeous. So this is my oil bucket. But the brushes that you get from them are amazing. This is my oil bucket, and I put that there. And I do not buy resin from Temu. I don't like their resin. This is from Temu. These are nice. These are excellent. They're kind of, you know, a little thin here, but I mean, I don't know. I've gotten them other places, and they're really expensive, and these are nice. These are from Temu. They're really nice. I have a lot of resin molds. I love their resin molds. I'll show you, for instance, right now as to what I did not like. I got this mold right here from them, and I made this table over here, and it's not thick enough. It's not thick enough, but I mean, it worked, but it made my table not come out as good as I would have liked it to have, but... So, I mean, there's something like this is you get what you pay for. You don't really, you gotta look at the fine print. Super pretty. So it works. It came out pretty nice, but it's just not thick enough. You can still see all the grass underneath. It needed to be thicker. But the legs I got, the legs are cool. The legs are nice. I ordered the nice and sturdy legs. So... it's not too bad of a piece. It turned out pretty nice all in all. So I have to be more aware of, one thing you do have to check is the, you want to check how many stars, how many ratings, read the comments. And let's see, so this one I did not like. This one I got from them and I didn't really like it very much. I guess if I was doing it never dried, and it smells like mold from being in here. I was just checking it. I used it one time to see what I would even use it for, and I used it for a big watercolor, and I'm going to wash it out really good, and so I don't waste it, but I think if I clean it with Dawn, it might be okay. I don't want to waste it. This one right here, I'm psyched to use. I can't wait. I just got this. This is amazing. This is really, really nice brush. And I will so use this. I never have a problem with their brushes. This is and I would buy it again. And I got all these. I got all of these. These are amazing. They're good. They're made well. That's in there. That don't belong there. And these I got, they're just as good quality as these, and I think I bought these ones at Michael's. Some of these were like some Bob Ross ones that are in the oldies but goodies. Their watercolor paints, not so great. I was not happy with their watercolor paints. Only some of them. I've got watercolors from them. This one right here, I use the...
So I always have sort of both going on.
I use the crap out of these.
So this was super fun.
They're really good. I love them. That's that. And let's see. So one of the things I did not like is I got a sketchbook, and this one's not. I didn't realize that it's not watercolor paper, but it's still nice. Like I can do this while I'm at church. I can practice sketching. It's an actual sketch book, meaning pens and pencils. No, you can't do wet stuff because the water kind of buckles it. But it's not like I'm not unhappy. It's adorable. It's beautiful. It's really nice. I just like this one better. So this is actually nice. Oh, and I got some stickers. Now look at these stickers, you guys. Oh my God. These are all really nice stickers. Okay, so this is for my sister. So the stickers are like perfect. Really, they're kind of lovey-dovey ones. But it was perfect. And those ones, those are the other stickers. Love them. I used a lot of them. My favorite words, now I got a whole bunch of these small little ones. Let's go through these really fast. And then we're probably going to wrap this up because I know I'm taking a long time because I have a lot of Temu stuff. Do it for you. Everything works out for me. And these, like, I found really fast. I just love them. And I got a whole bunch of these. Like, imagine, I will do big things. The best way to predict the future is to create it. I am worthy of financial abundance. And get shit done. These are me. Right off the bat, I found words that I can relate to with the stickers. These cool stickers I got from them. And I got like 100 of them. So that was a lot of what I got today. I'll just kind of wrap it up, I guess, and kind of be quick. Oh, stencils. I didn't show you my stencils. One more thing, stencils. And I'll show you where's that resin clock? I'm going to show you what I didn't like about the resin clock. So I got these stencils. This is how they come in these nice, the bags usually, the other bags I'm trying to tell you about is that they Ziploc bag everything. And these ones, it's good to reuse too. Why not? If you have your own business. These are not bad to reuse. I don't know if that's Chinese brand. Maybe you wouldn't want to use that. I don't know. You can use, I like to rinse and reuse. Us artists reuse things, right? So these are nice. Now, see that better like that. I'm going to show you over here is my little messy area. It's real over here. This is real. But all my stencils. Now I've got some I buy stencils from them. I use them. I love them. I will buy them again. They hold up really well. These are, I've used a lot of work. I'm going to actually show you what I did. Here's some kisses. So I did my kisses here. So there's some work and how well those work. But I also want to show you, I got this one cool one here. Let's see, I'll show you the art I did with it. This one's really cool. And I did that over here with it, the molding paste. So these work really, really nice. That came out really good. I love my stencils. I did this one with one of their stencils. I got their, they sell the gold, the sticky stuff for the gold. They sell the gold leaf. Now everybody knows how expensive that stuff is, and they sell different colored ones. I could go on and on about Temu and the cool stuff that I buy. Here's a really good brush right here. Look at that one. That is nice. I got some nice brushes, and I would not be able to afford to be an artist. So I have a lot of good things to say about Temu. I really do. And I could go on and on. The one thing I did not like, so I'll share with you, it's the end now, and I'll share with you one little quick thing. Where's the clock? There it is. I made a clock. Now this clock is pretty badass. But the problem is the letters stick up. So it was getting stuck. They gave me the hands. There was a piece missing, so I ended up having it. My friend gave me, it was missing, so he took it to a clock store. Expensive money. So it's the mold and the letters, and like, it's not really, it wasn't thought out, I guess. But I did the best I could, and trying to still see if I can get it workable. But I don't think I'll try it again because, but it was so cheap. It was fun trying. I learned a lesson in it, and we move on. I have more luck with them than bad luck. So that's about all I have for that. And if you want to know more, leave me a comment. If you have any questions about any products, I am not affiliated with them for a lot of reasons. But I'm not affiliated, and I buy my own stuff, and I like my own stuff, and that's all. So thank you, and peace out.